So, the thing that we're going to look at today is finding fractions of amounts, and that is because it follows on nicely from finding percentage of amounts. Within a GCSE question, they'll put lots and lots of words around the question, but essentially the maths will come down to can you find the fractions of amounts and can you find the percentages of amounts, which is why we're going to cover them both together. Finding fractions of amounts. We've already covered fractions. We already know what our fractions should look like. We're going to do an example of finding 3/4 of 460. Now, what we need to do first of all is find 1/4 of 460. Okay, and in order to do that, we are going to have to use our bus stop. Now, for any parents, carers who are supporting our students with this, you will recall the lattice method, which you may not have got taught at school, and it might have been a bit of a revelation. You might have thought, why weren't we taught this in school? This is so much easier. Unfortunately, division hasn't moved on at the same pace. We still do it the same method that we were always taught, and it's the one that we probably like the least, but let's have a go. So, we need to divide our 460 into 4 equal pieces. We're going to do that by using the bus stop method. Okay, now what these essentially become are 3 small times table questions. Okay, we don't need to look at that in a big lump, we just need to break it down into small pieces. It's much easier to do it that way. So how many lots of 4 are there in 4? It's a times table question. Well, 4, 1. How many lots of 4 are there in 6? Well, let's have a look at our 4 times table. We've got 4, 8, 12. 6 isn't in there, okay? 6 would come about here. We can't go up to 8, we haven't got enough. So what we've got is 4, which is 1 lot, but let's just resolve this to 4. So we've got to count on to 6. So we've got 4, 5, 6. How much have we got left over? 2. So we carry that next door. Now what we've got is how many lots of 4 are there in 20? Well, we can continue to write out our times table, which I'm going to leave you to do, but it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So that's 5 lots. So what we've got there is 1/4 of 460. Well, 1/4 equals 115. What do we now have to do with the 1/4 to turn it into 3/4? We times it by 3, using our lattice multiplication skills that we've learnt from last week. And I'm going to leave you to do that.